We'll tackle issues with Wordpad not displaying text correctly or opening files with strange symbols. Follow these steps to restore Wordpad to normal. Open the Start menu and type Regedit to find the Registry editor. Before making changes, back up the registry. Click File Export, choose All under Export Range, and save the backup with a recognizable name. Navigate to the following path: hkey_current_user, software, Microsoft Windows current version, applets, Wordpad. Right-click on the Options folder under Wordpad and select Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. Close the Registry editor and restart your computer. If the issue persists, run a System File Checker scan. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC/scano and press Enter. Let the scan finish, restart your computer once more, and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.